Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 13 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 14. Name of the chapter is Community Services. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we start doing the book exercise of the chapter number 14 and we have already completed question number A. Pick the correct answer. This question we have already completed in our book. Now, so today all of you open page number 86 of your book. Now we will start with question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, so all of you open page number 86. We will start with question number B. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So what is the first question? The Gram Panchayat is elected for dash years. The Gram Panchayat is elected for dash years. So first of all, students, you must understand where you will find the Gram Panchayat. See, in all the villages have their own own panchayat. All the villages have their own panchayat and this is known as gram panchayat. जितने भी villages होते हैं सबकी अपनी ग्राम पंचायत होती है, ठीक है बेटा. And the head of the gram panchayat is known as, you can say, sarpanch also, you can say pradhan also. And for how many years they work? They work for 5 years. ठीक है, they work for 5 years and any person whose age is 18 or above 18 that can give the vote. Okay, so first answer is 5 years. Second question number 2. Every village has a dash to organize the facilities. Every village has a dash to organize the facilities. So every village, just now I explained in the first question also that in every village they having a gram panchayat and gram panchayat organize the and gram panchayat is responsible for the welfare of the people who are living in the village. Okay, so all the facilities which are provided to the people who are living in the village, that is done by the gram panchayat. And as we know that in every village having a gram panchayat. So note down the answer in your class, in your book. ठीक है, next question is the head of the gram panchayat. Third question, the head of the ग्राम पंचायत, the head of the gram panchayat is called dash. So the head of the gram panchayat, just now I discussed this with you. Head of the gram panchayat is known as sarpanch. Or you can also write pradhan. If this question come in the examination, आप दोनों आंसर मत लिख देना, ये मैंने आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए लिखा है कि सरपंच भी उसे बोलते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो ए राइट आंसर, प्रधान बोलते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो ए राइट आंसर. इफ दिस क्वेश्चन कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन, तो आउट ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड और मींस whether you can write sarpanch or you can write pradhan, only one answer you will write, sarpanch or pradhan. Okay, so at that time don't be in confusion that you write sarpanch also, or you will write or also, and you will write pradhan also. Or means out of these two names you can select any one. Sarpanch is also right and pradhan is also right. Next question is, the head of municipal corporation is called dash. The head of municipal okay corporation is called dash. Okay, so student, the head of the municipal corporation is dash. So see, there are two types of, one is the municipal corporation, one is the municipal committee, but the method of election is the same in both of them, whether it is municipal committee or municipal corporation. But only the difference is that in a small town and cities we having municipal committees, and in a big cities, or you can say in the metro cities, we have municipal corporation. And in municipal committee the head is known as chairman, and in municipal corporation the head is known as mayor. So note down the answer. Next is fifth question. The villagers who are dash year of age and above can elect panchayat members. Villagers who are dash years of age, the villagers who are dash years of age and above can elect panchayat members. So what is the meaning of this question? Meaning of this question is that who villagers who are 18 years. So I already explained you how the member of Gram Panchayat are elected by the election method, and the people give the votes. Now what is the age limit? What is the age for giving the vote? That is, villager who are 18 years of age and above can elect panchayat members. Elect means they can choose the panchayat members. Is it clear? So The villagers who are 18 years of age and above can elect panchayat members. Note down the answer. Now let's start with another question, that is question number C. Write true or false. Panchayats have only man as the sarpanch. Panchayat panchayats have only man as the sarpanch. So what is the meaning of this question, student? The meaning of this question is that as we know that every village has a gram panchayat and the head of the gram panchayat is known as a sarpanch or pradhan. So it is given in this question that the head should always, panchayat have only man as the sarpanch. If the question means that whenever there is a election of a gram panchayat, the sarpanch is always a male. So this is a false statement. Okay. One time the seat is for males and for after next 5 year then the सरपंच who will become the सरपंच that is the woman seat. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे 5 years अभी इलेक्शन हुए, कोई मेल सरपंच बन गया, ठीक है, अब आफ्टर 5 years जब री इलेक्शन होंगे ग्राम पंचायत के लिए, तो एट दैट टाइम सरपंच जो होगा वो मेल नहीं होगा, दैट इज अ फीमेल. तो आफ्टर one time male and one time female, and it happens after 5 years. Is it clear? So that is the reason this is a false statement. Let's start with question number 2. There are 5 levels of government in India. Is it clear? There are 5 levels of government in India. There are 5 levels of government in India. So student, this is a false statement. Okay, this is a false statement. What is the reason for that? Reason for that is in our country we have 3 levels of a government. One is known as central. As we know that Narendra Modi is the head of the central government. One is in central, one is in state. As we know, our state name is Uttar Pradesh, and who is the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh? That is Yogi Adityanath. And third is the self local government, that is known as the government which is in the villages, and every villages have this type of government, and this is known as gram panchayat. ठीक है, so in the question it is given there are 5 levels of government, so that is the reason it is false. We have 3 levels of government. How many levels of government we have? We have 3 levels of government. Okay, now the next question. The head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. Or the The head of municipal corporation is the mayor. Yes, student, this is a true statement. The head of the municipal corporation, and where we find municipal corporation? We find municipal corporation in the big cities, or you can say in metro cities. So the head of the municipal corporation is known as a mayor. Yes, this is the right answer. And in small towns and city, we having municipal committee, and their head is known as a chairman, and the members are known as councillors. Is it clear? Next is city is divided into ward for the purpose of electing members to the municipal corporation. Fourth one, each city is divided into wards. For the purpose of electing members to the municipal corporation. Yes, student, this is the true statement. When we having a election of the municipal corporation, so the city is divided into wards, and how many wards, it depends upon the population of that city. Okay, and municipal corporation, as we know that municipal corporation is in the big cities, and due to the according to the population of the people in that metro city, the whole city is divided into different wards, and from these wards one member is elected. Okay, from these wards, from each of the wards, for example, there are 20 wards in a city, so from each ward one member is elected. Okay, and these elected members are known as the councillors. And out of these councillor, they choose one head, and that head is known as the mayor. So this is the true statement. Next is fifth question. Panchayats run schools in villages. So this is the false statement. Okay, this is the false statement. What is the reason for that, student? See, panchayat run school in villages. So these, in all the villages you will see there are government schools. Okay, where the villager can send their wards, and they get the education free of cost. They don't have to pay the money. Even they get their books and notebooks also from the school, and even they get midday meal also in the school. So all these facilities, all these primary schools are set up by the government. And what is the role of panchayat here? So the teacher who are working in this village schools, government school, they are all civilians. So they manage the proper smooth functioning of the schools. That is the work of panchayats. Okay, thank you student.